Matt, there's a lot of talk about the possibility of AI, robots taking over jobs, taking over the world. It's a bit like those terrible films, isn't it? Terminator films, where the robots take over. Is it really the case? And I'd really love to hear your view on how we prepare for the future of work with, thinking about robots.
I mean, I'm absolutely convinced, and I think it's fairly obvious to most people, that there will be some technological unemployment. So this is unemployment that is brought about because of these advanced technologies. And the first roles to go, or the first tasks certainly to go, will be those systematic, repeatable and process-driven tasks. And in time, clearly, I think we're already seeing it a little bit. Some of the creative roles will evolve. I was talking to a photographer recently, and we actually worked out there's probably going to be a whole load of new jobs that will replace the traditional jobs. But the important thing with jobs, I think, is to remember that jobs are only going away when problems go away, right? So for as long as society has problems, there's going to be jobs and businesses and organizations set up to help solve those problems. And what I find really reassuring is that it's the human skills that we really need to focus on. And what we've got to think about is, how do we push ourselves up the value chain? I remember speaking with two software companies recently, and it seems really obvious now, when you've got these systems that can create code, that the actual technology will become really commoditized. So thinking about what it means to push ourselves up that human value chain, I'm absolutely positive we'll start to see the emergence of chief empathy officers, right? So these are people who emerge to solve the problem of deeply understanding customers' needs and then working out how to translate those needs into a technical solution. But perhaps we're going to need less of those technical people to create that sort of solution.